In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a little known program called Camstudio. Camstudio is the program I'm using right now to capture what you're seeing. Everything I move on this video is captured by Camstudio, so it's a screen recorder. It's absolutely free. It's open source, so you can see the source code for it, and it's a really great program. To download it, all you have to do is go to Google, download Camstudio. It's the first result. Scroll all the way down. Whoops, I passed it. Here it is. It says you use SourceForge. I don't know. You can get it from SourceForge, or you can click these convenient links. This is Camstudio, and this is lossless codec. So you download Camstudio, you open it, now you have Camstudio here. I recommend you install the lossless codec, it's pretty useful. So now we go to options, video options, and now we're going to set a compressor. Compressors are so that your video turns out a small file size. For example, instead of the movie being 500 megabytes, it's going to be 5 megabytes. It's reasonable enough to upload onto YouTube. YouTube has a 100 megabyte limit for videos. Using a compressor will make them much smaller. By default, Microsoft Video 1 is the compressor. It will make your video files a huge file size, so don't use it. Use either DivX or Camstudio Lossless Codec. DivX is free, so you can download it. DivX Pro is not free, so download the free version. Uncheck the boxes that ask you for the DivX player, the DivX converter, and the other stuff. Only install the codec. And also you can configure the bitrate. Set it to 256. Clicking this button here. And you want to reset the settings. I set quality 60. Set frames every 30 seconds. You need to uncheck this auto adjust button. Capture frames every 50 seconds and 20 seconds. By default, the options in Camstudios don't work. And if they do work, they set it up with like some kind of time-lapse feature, meaning that your audio and video are not synchronized. So I recommend you use these settings with DivX. Everything works great. Okay, now just go to OK. Now you're ready to record. You can record whatever you want now, but let's configure the audio. Let's say record audio from microphone. Record audio from speakers will record from stereo mix, meaning that if you're playing a game or something, it'll capture the audio too that's coming from your computer. So we have it on record audio from microphone. I'm going to set the audio options to audio options for microphone, and I'm going to reset it to a smaller format. I like using lame MP3. Click choose compressed format. By default, it's PCM. If you have MPEG layer 3 around there, I would recommend you use that. PCM, I guess, is okay. It's not horrible, but I like lame MP3. It makes the videos a little bit smaller. To download lame MP3, you have to download it. Yeah, sorry. You go to Google, and I'm gonna search lame download. Audacity has a quick link page that will let you download it for Windows. Just click lame MP3, lame download page, and click one of these links. Save this file. You have it right here. Go ahead and unzip it with your zip program. I like 7Z zip. You can use WinZip or WinRAR. And here we have the files. Ignore everything except ACM, and right click here and install. This will install lame on your computer. Now if you open Camstudio again. If you go to Tools, Audio Options, Microphone, you should have Lame MP3 as an option in this list. 32 kilobits and 22 hertz mono is really good. It makes your audio files really small, so you will have very compressed audio and compressed video that will show up well on YouTube. It has a lot of options like cursor options. I think all these are basically pretty straightforward. 320 by 240 is the YouTube default size, so it's usually good enough. Again, if you want to teach your friends how to download music online, or you want to show them how to do something, there's always great demand for video tutorials and visual learning online. So upload your video tutorials. This has been a tutorial by JimmyR.com. Thanks for checking it out.